Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Black color, it's a dark black color. Let's start. Heart, it's a good heart. We are drawing heart. Heart is so easy and cute. Heart. Arrow. Arrow. We are drawing arrow. It's arrow. Oval. We are drawing oval. It's oval. Rhombus. We are drawing rhombus. It's a rhombus. Rhombus. Cross. We are drawing cross. It's a cross. Cross. Pie. We are drawing pie. It's a pie. Let's learn some colors. Look at this. This is so nice color. Red color, yellow color, sky blue color, pink color, blue color, orange color, yellow green color, forest green color, green color. Look at this. Cerulean blue color, vivid green color, vivid green color, cobalt blue color, cobalt blue color, cool grey color, cool grey color, black color, black color, yellow green color, yellow green color. Let's learn 2D shapes. Heart, arrow, oval, rhombus, cross, pie. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.